Alright, ready?
Let's go, D Young.
What's up? It's your boy D Young and VAYOUNG.
And today we are at the Uptown Food Truck Festival. We're about to try out a few different trucks, and we should just get right to it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go enjoy ourselves, and y'all gonna come and watch us.
Let's go. Yo, what up, guys? First up, we're at Lou's Sandwiches, and we ordered the pork banh mi. First time trying it out, so I don't know, man. I'm excited.
So right here, we just got, you know, your regular pork, cilantro, daikons, carrots, jalapenos, and cucumber. Oh, sorry, this is all falling. Alright, first bite. Cheers.
Cheers. It's pretty plain. Pretty plain. I usually like the cold sandwiches, but this one's pretty good too. Jalapenos is kind of spicy a little bit.
You see me? I can't eat spicy, so I bit the bottom part on purpose. But alright, let me just. They have like a mayonnaise type based sauce in here. The bread is actually really soft. I like it. I prefer my banh mi to be really soft. I don't like a hard. It just tastes good. Meat tastes really good. Marinated pork. Can't go wrong with that. But yeah, other than that, everything else is good here. We're gonna go on to the next one, so y'all can come on with it. Let's go. Alright, so right here we have the Butcher Salt Chipotle Slider. It's got a chipotle sauce, some cheese, a burger patty, and then some veggies on top.
Looks hella flame.
Yeah, it's got chips on your side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll go in for this one.
I'll take this one real quick.
Oh, this is also from Dot's Great Kitchen.
Alright, man, let's try these sliders.
I'm not hungry.
Ooh. Yo, that cheese, bacon, lettuce, good ass mix.
These are little sliders, but honestly, after two of these, you'll be full. This thing goes up to at least one burger. Look at that. That's hella big.
That's good.
Hella.
Yeah. Got chipotle, mayonnaise, cheese.
And this is some. I think it's regular. Regular chips.
Regular tortilla chips.
Yeah. Well, awesome. Next spot?
Let's go next spot. Yeah.
What are you supposed to do?
You sink the nail.
Get your nail all the way at one swing at a time.
Alright, ready?
Let's go, D Young.
Oh, not quite.
Let's try it. Any tries to just get there, break it and open it.
Good try.
I can't do that. I can't do that. Come on, man. What's up, guys? So right here I got the hickory smoked pork ribs from SOS Smoking on Site Barbecue.
Yes, sir. And right here I got the RA Mac Sammy's. I believe that's what it's called. Looks like it's got some mac and cheese, some jalapenos, chili, bacon. I'm pretty excited. It's hella hot right now. Get a little bit of everything.
Very tender.
Mine's good.
Yeah, mine came like, I don't know. It's not too tough. Oh, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, it's not too bad. But
Mine's good. Mine's pretty cheesy. I wish it was a little cheesier though.
mine is like a dry rub. It's more of a dry rub than it is a sauce. It's hot.
To be honest, I think I can make this shit at home. I'm for real.
To be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, mac and cheese is not too bad. I like it.
Yeah.
I'm not too big into mac and cheese, but they got chili on top of it, so it's even better. It looks good, right?
Pretty good.
Damn. Time to move on. Let's go. We got 2 music stars here, bro.
We good, man. We good. Oh yeah. Hey, dude.
Hey, shout out your. No, this is for our new series we got going on.
Oh, yeah. Hey, shout outs to Damien.
Oh, this guy.
Hey, collab me.
Oh yeah. Music collab. Alright, ready? So right here we got the fried chicken sandwich. We got pickles, onions, tomato, fried chicken, a pretzel bun, some kale, and like a garlic mayonnaise.
Wow, you just totally stole a shot, bro.
Dude, this dude's been getting all the high fives and what's ups, alright? He's
Oh
famous.
my God.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Ladies first. How is it? Oh, it looks kind of like green.
Vegan.
It looks like a vegan ass fucking burger.
I think it might be vegan.
Alright, yo.
I think it's vegan.
That's vegan for sure.
Look at it. Chicken don't look like that. unless my chicken is too white and this is regular chicken.
That's just hella green. It's good overall though.
Hold on, man. I gotta try it one more time.
It just tastes healthy.
It's not bad.
I don't know how to explain it.
I do like it though.
It's good.
Yeah, if you don't look at it, you can't tell.
You taste it, you can tell though.
Yeah.
By the taste. At least for me.
Other than that, tastes good, fried good. You look at it, it looks like fried chicken. Other than that, I think everything is okay with that one.
I think it's alright.
Alright guys, that wraps up today's episode on Fresh Finds. We had a lot of different kinds of food. Some food we didn't even know was vegan food, but other than that, it was all good.
Yes, sir. But overall, we're gonna wrap it up now. So follow us on Fresh Finds on our IG and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. What else?
Facebook, YouTube, IG at 81st Ave. Peace.